Cal HFA Down Payment Assistance Program for first-time home buyers. Are you a first-time home buyer in California hoping to make your dream of becoming a homeowner a reality? If this is the case, the California Housing Finance Agency, Cal HFA, may be able to assist. The Cal HFA Home Buyer Down Payment Assistance Program is a state-funded program that offers a deferred payment loan to qualified first-time home buyers. The program is intended to assist low and moderate income individuals and families purchase a home by covering down payments and closing costs. Eligible participants can receive up to 5% of the home's purchase price, up to a maximum of $100,000, for the down payment and closing costs. The loan is deferred for 30 years or until the property is sold, refinanced, or transferred. The program also requires homebuyers to complete a homebuyer education course and meet specific credit and income requirements. How the Cal HFA Down Payment Assistance Program works. Before participating in the Cal HFA Down Payment Assistance Program, you must confirm that you meet the income, purchase price, credit, and home occupancy requirements. The Cal HFA Home Buyer Down Payment Assistance Program collaborates with a network of lenders and mortgage brokers, and the information can be found at the end of this video or in the video description below. Complete a homebuyer education class. Before closing on a loan, the Cal HFA program requires all borrowers to take an education course. There are several options available, including online classes and in-person workshops. eHome America provides an online homebuyer education course that can be completed from the convenience of your own home. You must complete the course and obtain a certificate of completion. The system is available in English and Spanish and can be accessed at https://www.ahomemortgage.org/. Apply for a loan. After completing the homebuyer education course, you can apply through a participating lender. To be considered for the loan, you must provide financial information such as your income, assets, and credit history. Other program requirements. Additional requirements include income and purchase price limits and credit and home occupancy requirements, which must be met in addition to completing a homebuyer education course and applying for a loan. Premier Home Financing, the creator of this video, is an approved mortgage broker with Cal HFA. The information can be found at the end of this video or in the description below. What does Cal HFA give you? Cal HFA covers down payments of up to 3.5% and closing costs of up to 2%, which means there is zero contribution from the borrower towards the down payment. Cal HFA Home Buyer Down Payment Assistance Program eligibility requirements. To qualify, you must be a first-time home buyer, or have not owned a home in the past 3 years. Have a good credit score and a low debt-to-income ratio. Earn a qualifiable income based on the area you buy in. Pass an approved home buying counseling course. Once you've determined your eligibility for the program, you can begin looking for properties. Eligible properties. There are several restrictions regarding which properties are eligible for the program, so make sure you know them before entering into any purchase agreements. Cal HFA's maximum loan limit is $726,200. In the high-value purchase areas, the loan amount can go up to $1,089,300. The property must be a single-family home, townhouse, or condominium in California. The maximum income limit is determined by the household size and the county in which the property is located. Household incomes shall not exceed a certain percentage of the area's median income. Contact Cal HFA or a participating lender for specific information about county income limits and their eligibility for the program. The essential requirement is that the property be the borrower's primary residence. This means the borrower must move into the property and live in it as their primary residence. Cal HFA offers several financial assistance options that can help lower prices even further. My Home Assist Program. My Home Assistance Program offers up to 3.5% assistance with down payments or closing costs, $11,000 maximum. Assistance with home purchases for school teachers and employees. For K-12 public school teachers and employees, the School and Employee Assistance Program offers up to 4% off the purchase price. Cal HFA's Interest-Free Loan Program. Cal HFA Zero Interest Program, also known as ZIP, is a second mortgage loan that can be used with a Cal Plus loan, providing zero-interest mortgages equal to 3% of the borrower's first mortgage used as a down payment or closing costs. Schedule a free consultation today. Take advantage of what the California Housing Finance Agency offers first-time home buyers in California who want to make their dreams come true. Aspiring homeowners can also find out if they qualify for these financial services by contacting the lender today. Please find the links in the video description below. Premier Home Financing is an approved participant in the Cal HFA program and an equal housing lender. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to support this channel.